The whole point of QuickBooks is to track your sales and expenses so that you can later gain some insight about your business or report your business's financial information to shareholders, the government, or other interested parties. Those insights and financial statements can be found in the Report Center by clicking on Reports. Up at the top, QuickBooks shows you some favorited reports, such as Accounts Receivable Aging Summary, the Balance Sheet, and the Profit and Loss Statement. These are important financial statements for nearly every business. To open a report, simply click on its name, and now QuickBooks displays that report for us right here. To go back to Report Center, click on Back to Report List, and here's the Reports Center again. Scrolling down, you can see more than just favorites. Here are the Business Overview reports, Who Owes You reports, Sales and Customers, and of course there are many more further down the page. Let's open up a report to track how much we've had in sales by product or service. We'll do that by running the Sales by Product Service Summary report. This report shows us how much we've sold by product or service for the date period that we have selected. Currently it's set to this month to date. Here we can see each product or service we've sold over the selected period of time, the total amount that we've made off of that product or service, and also the percentage of our total sales that this product or service represents. If you want to drill any deeper into any one of these numbers, all you have to do is click on the number, and now QuickBooks will display a list of transactions that make up that total. You can, of course, go back to the report by clicking on Back to Report Summary, and then we can go back to Report List by clicking this link again. If you find a report that you like and you'd like to add it to your favorites, simply click on the star next to the report name. Now when you scroll back up to the top, here we can see our Sales by Product Service Summary report or any other report with the star selected. If you don't want to scroll all the way down the page to find the report you are looking for, you can also search for it right here in this field. Simply enter a word that appears in the report's title, like expenses, and now QuickBooks will give you a list of all the report titles that contain that word. Use the Report Center to gain additional insights about your business.